All right. Good day, everybody. Here we are looking at a ratio, a very simple ratio. We are asked that there are three boys that shared 10,500 naira in the ratio of 6, 7, and 8. And we are asked to find the largest share. Okay. Now, what we do, normally some of us we decide to be solving it one after the other to know which one is larger. Here we are just going to use a simple approach to get this one done. Okay. So the first thing that we do here is to find the total ratio first. Okay. So here, solution, we find the total ratio, okay, which is 6 plus 7 plus 8, that will give us 21. Now, when we have done this, what do we do again? Okay, we know that the amount is 10,500 naira. Okay, now is for us now to use the total ratio now to divide the amounts, okay, that we have, so that you can be able to find the amount for each part for one. Okay, for one, when you use 21 to divide this one, it makes us to understand that we are looking for just for one part. Now, whatever you have as your answer for one part, if you decide to be multiplying them using 6, 7, 8 to multiply them, you discover that the when you use 8 to multiply the values will be larger than the 7 and what and 6. So in that case, we're able to get the largest what the largest share among the three boys. Okay, so that's what you will do. Now, the next thing now, the step 2 is divide the total amount by the total ratio to find the value. Okay, divide step 2. Now say divide the total amount by the total ratio. Okay, so the total amount here is 10,500 divided by 21. So when we do this, we're able to get one part. Okay, that means the values for one part now, the values of one part, okay, will give us 10,500 divided by 21, and that will give us 500. Now, you know that when you use 6 to multiply 500, that will give you about 3,000. Okay, when you use 7 to multiply 500, that will give you about 3,005. But when you use 8 to multiply 500, that will give you about what? 4,000. So you discover that instead of wasting your time using 6, 7, just go straight to what? By using 8 to multiply the values. Now, the largest ratio will give us 8 times 500. That will give us 4,000 naira. So the largest share will give us 4,000 naira. Okay, so this is how you just solve the problem. So some of us will say, okay, since 10,500, divide by 21 times 6, and you solve that on one part. 10,500 divided by 21 times 7. So the best thing is to find one part of it, which is just one share. Okay, just like a ratio 1. Then when you have gotten the value, use the larger ratio to multiply what the amount. So that will give you the largest amount of the person among the three boys. So this is how it is done. So have a nice day. God bless you. Bye.